Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. As you can see, this project is the simplest or the basic queue system. As you can see, we have two LED here. When I push the first one, it's blowing up. The other one also blowing up. But when the first one is turning on, the other one will not work. As you can see, it is still on. And also the reverse. When this LED is on and pushing the other one will not work. The reason that the light of this LED little bit infected is the 5-volt power supply. I'm using the battery and it's not fresh one. But when you make the project, it is the completely isolated and the LEDs will not turn on when you push the other LED key. As you can see, when this one is hanging, the other one is not working. This is the world basic queue, and the IC is 7402. As you can see, this is a Persian book, and here is the schematic. Very simple and nice schematic. I use 7402 assembly version. You can go for the deep version. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.